So hey, what's up? How you doing?
No basic.
This should be interesting. Let's look at that.
What's up, Stush gang? Welcome or welcome back to another weekly vlog with the Stush Life. So I know before we start anything off, I have to intro the video, I have to intro the vlog. So before we get into this weekly vlog, if you haven't already, leave your girl a thumbs up. If you guys have been enjoying my vlogs, if you guys have been enjoying my content, leave it a thumbs up. Make sure you guys also subscribe down below and become a part of the Stush gang. If it's your first time ever seeing my face on a YouTube platform, my name is Stush. You can also call me Sharma. I put out pretty much everything from beauty content to vlogs to travel videos to hauls, body care content. Like, I does it all. Like, there is no niche. We don't put limits on anything. We don't put caps on anything. I am the niche, okay, period. So I hope you guys subscribe down below and become a part of the Stush gang, become a Stush gal. If you're on TikTok and on Instagram, follow me over on those platforms as well. My handle is the same thing as my YouTube, the Stush Life. So yeah, I just had to intro the vlog before jumping right into it. So I hope you guys really enjoyed that Ikea haul. I did go to Ikea on Sunday. My main reason for going to Ikea is because I wanted to check out the collab that they had with Mary Mecco. So as you guys saw, I was able to pick up a robe. I wanted to wear it as like a kimono. So I didn't see any smalls, but I just didn't want to risk not getting any, so I did get the large. It does fit a little bit big, but I'll see how it works with like a whole outfit on, like jeans or shorts and stuff like that. If not, I'll just give it to my mom. But you guys saw some of the other things that I picked up, so I really went in there to check out that collaboration. And you know, Ikea is kind of like Target. They let you know what you need. I do really like their cookies as well, and I did get a plant as well. Ikea always has really nice plants. But yeah, that was Sunday. Today is Tuesday, and I just finished being very productive. So shout outs to me. I recorded 2 YouTube videos for you guys. You guys would have already seen both of those by now, so make sure you check both of those out. First one being a makeup video where I tested out new makeup products. The second one was my product MDs, as I had a lot of them, child, a lot of them. And then I also recorded 2 TikTok / Instagram reels. I took some pictures. Like, when I say hella productive, I mean hella productive. Even put on eyeshadow. I even put on eyeshadow for y'all. Expensive eyeshadow at that. Pat McGrath eyeshadow at that. So yeah, I'm just happy that I was able to knock so many things out the list for today. And yesterday was pretty productive as well. I didn't record because I was really just trying to get things done. But I washed my hair. I have it in this slick back puff right now. And I also washed all of my makeup brushes. What else did I do? I cooked dinner. Nothing crazy, but I made like a Caribbean comfort meal. I made corned beef with rice, avocado. I added some corn as well. My Caribbeans know. If you know, you know. If you know, you know. Okay, if you know, you know. Comfort meal. Okay, so I made that really quick meal, and that was really good. And then listen, I got in the shower, watched some YouTube, and just KO'd. My plans for the night are to chill. I'm gonna go find something to eat. I think I'm gonna pop back on the cam in a little bit, but I'm starving. I got home like right at 3 and it's currently 6:38, so I've been working for like 3 hours straight now. So I'm parched, I am tired, but I had to enter the vlog for y'all because I love y'all. So hey, what's up? How you doing? Hope you stick around for the entire week. This week we have Cinco de Mayo. I'm very excited for that. It's one of my favorite days. Okay, love Cinco de Mayo. But so definitely stick around. I will check back in a little bit. I just need to nourish thy bod, so I'll be back in a little bit. But I just wanted to come on here and say, hey gang, how y'all doing? I hope you guys are having a great May so far. We're in the first week of May, so I hope May has been treating you well. May she flourish. That's my quote for the month. But yeah, let me stop chatting. I'll be back in a little bit.
For real, it's true. I don't have to wait on you. These are things I gotta say to you. Maybe feel a little more, maybe cause I can't call it. You fuck with the niggas, don't even bother. Young copper, tell them move out you. Let me put myself on it, let me cry about the mother niggas. I the I say, fuck the mother niggas, won't you stay with me? Hey. My homeboy left to me, baby, you should stay with me. For as long as I'm here, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. For as long as you want, baby, that's okay with me. Now let's get down. Fuck it, girl, come spend the night with me. Save it up, but just don't lie to me. Stepping up, no, I want you on the side of me. Mama, you can come work full time with me. Broke through in the beat, get inside till the wheels fall off. That's how long you can ride with me. Yeah, that's worth it. Stephen Garrett, come ride with me. These are things I gotta say to you. Make me feel irreplaceable. Yeah, yeah.
Thank you. Hey guys, so it's Cinco de Mayo. I gotta be careful because this cold air on my tooth, yeah, we still having problems. Cinco de Mayo, happy Cinco de Mayo. You know, our favorite holidays, even though the Mexicans don't really celebrate it. Only the city of Puebla celebrates it, but we celebrating today. I got a cup in hand. As you guys saw, I just came from one spot on to the next spot for my friends. I was with my work friends earlier. Oh my god, my tooth. Now I'm going to chill with my day ones, the OGs, and I'm at South Street Seaport. My tooth. Ooh, Jesus. And we're going to Watermark. Well, they're at Watermark. I'm running late to Watermark, but we're headed there. And I got my drink in hand. I've been submitted this whole time, so just want to say what's up. And we outside. So the Barbie Cafe is gonna be here. This is where I came for the Golden Girls Cafe, and they are just gonna put the Barbie Cafe here. I have to come. They're not open yet, but it's gonna be so cute. I can see it already. It's cute. This is like my stomping grounds. Really like my mom's stomping grounds, but we always down here. I love South Street Seaport. Not the hot sauce. Heard you. I'm gonna have to toss this or chug it, which I think I'm gonna do. Okay, my boy.
In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I didn't have my sock. Running from a hawk, and I shoot at hawk. And I'm on the block. And I'm on the block. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I didn't have my sock. Selling every rock. In New York, I'm Millie Rock. I got it in my song. This is every off. Running from the car. Shooting at it off.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come back here?
Shooting at it off. Cause I run it off. Give me top. In my drop top. I didn't hold on flop. When I drop top. I didn't hold on flop. When I drop top. I didn't hold on flop.
My body gotta get my body. Hey. Heard the remix?
I didn't hold on that. I didn't hold on that. Fucking on your feet. I'm a dad. All these niggas sound like cats. Sound like cat. I'm a soldier. Damn, I thought I told you. Shooting like a soldier. Like I'm from Ecuador. All these niggas always fold. Big bang. Never fold. Sit. Act. Feel that shit slow. Bitch. I'm sexy like a club. I'm like young card glove. Designer. It's on. All the weather on. I didn't get the one your card in your card. Yeah. Lay your card in your card.
Oh yeah. Yeah. The gallery open till 10 for you and your friends. One begins, my babe. You know me, and you knew me back then, and you know how it goes when I see you again. You already know, no. Ready up a cup, I'm on the nose.
I'ma tell you this one time. But I want you to be mine. Can I see you now? Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. Make me feel and believe that we better die. I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I'm feeling right. Tell you what I'm about. So make me feel this way. Like, whoa,
Have y'all tried this? Don't mind my nails in my hand, child. Work issues. This looks good too. I've tried I think it was the deep conditioner from them. These are cute. Hey, Fix Plus. This one's $16.99. I've never been. Oh, cleanse off oil. How much is this? This one's $19. I've never even seen that. Okay, only $1.99. Target could never. Love her, but I have something similar. How cute are these? Oh, gee. Love, 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 right? But but somebody stole this one. How cute. Someone's name is written all over this. Hello, folk. I know I've done a terrible job. I know I've done a terrible job at vlogging this week. So we're titling it Days in My Life. Let me tell y'all something. The Mexicans won in Puebla, but I did not win on Cinco de Mayo in 2023. The tequila won. It definitely did. Yesterday I was out for the count. I did still go to Bronx Night Market in the Bronx. It was their first day, so it was pretty packed. So I took you guys along for that, and then I tried out this restaurant with my mom in Arthur Avenue. I found it on TikTok. It was really good. It's called It was called Zero Auto Nove. That was really good, and you guys saw we tried Afghan food in the beginning of the vlog. And TJ Maxx, right? We went to TJ Maxx. I didn't get a lot of things. I only got the foot peel mask. So I got these foot peeling masks because I always do a foot mask before the summer approaches because we need the callus gone. Like, they do what they need to do at the nail salon. You get a pedicure, but these masks, I'm telling you, you put it on for an hour, your foot starts peeling in like 3 days, and it gets rid of all of that dead skin. And I was also able to find the raspberry ice mold, so I'm gonna feature that in an upcoming vlog. But I want to go ahead and start making some things for my skin, especially for summer. So I'm gonna fill one up with ice. I might do aloe vera with the other one. I don't know yet, but just know skincare DIY things are coming very, very soon. So I'll film that for you guys in the upcoming vlog. But that's all I got from TJ Maxx. I didn't get anything else. So again, I know this vlog was not lengthy. I'm gonna do a better job next week. I know I said that in last week's vlog, like, I'm not gonna miss days. If there are days when nothing's going on, I'm gonna vlog and totally flop for this week. But I blame the tequila. Nothing was going on in the week, but for the weekend, like, I really blame the tequila. But I hope you guys had an amazing week. Hope you guys had a great first week in May. I have a lot of people that I'm celebrating this month and the next one, so I feel like I'm shaking the camera. I'm sorry because I'm vlogging on the phone, but y'all can expect to see a lot of upcoming content, you know, with more friends and family and stuff. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. Again, I'm sorry it was so short. Hope you guys enjoyed nonetheless. Leave the video a thumbs up. I did lose a nail. Yes, y'all saw that. And I also have some scratches. Working with kids is not for the weak, okay? I don't know what's going on outside. Yeah, I did lose a nail. I'm gonna replace it now. But I hope you guys enjoyed. As I said, like this video, subscribe down below, become a part of the gang. Next week, I promise you, we're going to do better. I promise you, we're going to do better. And also follow me on Instagram and on TikTok at STUSHY. Love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Bye, guys.